Oh, finally. How's it going, everyone? Gonna do some more magnet fishing today. Currently, the temperature is 19 degrees Fahrenheit. And according to the Weather Channel app, it feels like 3. And getting into the car, I can tell you that that's not false. So in my last video, I complained quite a bit about my hands being cold. So I did something about that. Got me some gloves, some different gloves that are supposed to be better for the cold. So we'll see how those work. Also got me a ski mask, repping the Bills ski mask, just in case my face gets a little too cold, because my little beard here might not keep my face warm. Should stay warm today. Guess I'll try here. All right, let's get this first toss in here. This is where I was gonna go the other day, but it wasn't this snowy. I don't know how much you can actually tell how snowy it is. There's snowplow over there. I'm assuming you can probably hear it. Yeah, I'm probably pretty crazy for this, but oh wow. Can't really tell, although there's snow on here. Oh, that's not nice. Oh, this is so much fun. Snowplow's coming back through. Probably thinks I'm crazy. I am. This rope is getting frozen. We're gonna try over here somewhere. Icy. All right, I'm gonna throw it from the bridge because I think that's just the easiest spot to do it. Hopefully the snowplow sees me coming through and doesn't whack me. I don't want to fall on that. It'll be cold. Well, my hands aren't as cold, but they're definitely not warm. All right. See what we can get from up here. Oh, that goes down quite a ways. Anything. I'll take something, you know, just one thing. Oh man, I'm gonna fall down this thing. Easier coming up than it is going down. Ow. All right, so I warmed up a bit. I'm gonna go up and try some more on the bridge there. See if I can get anything, because so far all I've gotten is snow all over me. I fell in the snow. Let's go see what we can get. These new gloves definitely helped, but you can only stay warm for so long, especially in a snowstorm. Oh God. Balance. Oh God. Okay. Whew. Almost fell again. See how frozen my rope is? Quite. Oh man, that's really frozen. Nice and warm now. Oh God. That's why it's tied. That's why it's tied. That could have been bad. Oh, finally. Got a couple things. It kind of felt a little heavier, but was unsure. All right. Actually, it looks like both halves of whatever this is. I don't know. I don't know what that is. I'm not sure. I think that's just another part of it. Huh. Interesting. Cool. It's kind of like some sort of nail or something. I'm not completely sure. Put that in the bucket. Did I find something? I think I actually found something. A rock. A rock. I think. Maybe not. What is that? Kind of looks like it has some like gold on it or something. No idea. I'll save it in the bucket. I'll look at that later. Meet the other side of the bridge. There's a huge tree and more water. There's like no metal in this river. Like, how is there no metal in here? Are we just good in this town and we don't litter, or like, what the heck? Can't tell you how many times I've thrown this thing in here. I mean, that's good, but at the same time, trying to find some stuff. Person's probably, what the hell is he doing? I'm magnet fishing. What else would I be doing? Could I be doing something else? Yeah, oh, yeah, probably, but why would I? Why would I when I can be outside when it's 19 degrees out and it's snowing? I'm cold. All right, well, I tried that spot quite a bit. Probably like too many to count. That's how many. Whew. So I'm going to another location. I'm gonna go there. Hopefully I find something. Either way, I found something, so that's pretty cool, but hopefully I find something even better. We'll see. Woo! All right, now.
Now it's snowing here.
It's just now snowing there?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
But it's coming down.
It's not really stopped here much at all.
Mommy. It's Daddy. Love you.
Love you too.
Love you. Bye.
Bye. It's cold. So this location that I'm going to now, I talked to someone the other day and they tried magnet fishing down here and they lost their magnet. Hopefully I don't have that issue. How are you now?
Not pretty good.
It's a nice layer of ice on that bucket. Or I mean bucket, geez. The rope. I'm gonna try not to get too close to this bridge here since it's all metal. You can see in the water here. I don't get stuck. Okay, right here's maybe not the best. I'm gonna end up losing this thing, and I'm not doing that. So I gotta find somewhere where there's not a lot of big rocks. All right, let's see what I found here. Like metal grass. What is that? I have no idea what that is, but it's metal. Something magnetic. Cool. I think it's a nail. I don't know. Yeah, bad idea coming under here. Oh, we can find. Oh God! Oh. Oh God. All right, I am taking an L. This is just not going my way whatsoever. I've been out here for 3 hours and found one thing. I am really sorry that you guys didn't see me find much today, but like I said, I've been out here for like 3 hours. I'm cold, so I hope you all like the view. Still pretty out here, especially that first place I was at, but like I said, I hope you all enjoyed the view, and I will try to get more stuff next time. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Burr.